Welcome to my day in a life ceramic studio edition. I've been honestly really enjoying documenting my experience in the studio, so I'm back again. I finished off my first year of school with an 80% average. Yeah. But yeah, now it's summertime. I am in summer school, but I have more time. So I'm hoping to do more of these, edit, and put out for you guys. I'm just gonna be heading to the studio right now to do some trimming with the pieces I've been working on. And yeah, and I have class later. I hope you guys have an amazing day and enjoy the video. So I am finally at the studio. That's my babies. Anytime I see my pieces, I be wanting to play house with them on some like, oh, would you like some more? Sake set, a bunch of cups, 2 bowls and 2 more cups. Yeah, we have a ton of trimming to do. Mostly these pieces are still kind of leather, working its way to leather hard. So I'm gonna be working with these pieces first. I'm about halfway, and then I think I'm gonna just see how the other pieces on the table are doing. If they're dry, I'll continue, and then if not, I shall meet you at the end of this session. One of them is looking a little uneven, so I am at the attempt of shaving down one side. Why am I so saturated? I know I got melanin, I know I'm popping, but damn. Okay, so like this side is a little taller than this side, so I'm shaving down here so I can get it leveled. Way better. Okay, now I'll take this on the wheel to officially trim. Wow, it just started raining out of nowhere, but it's so beautiful. Poor guy.
Guys, the guy's gone. I let him come in here to hang out for a bit. Because out there was crazy. Crazy.
Finished trimming. Only the 8 pieces. Right now what I'm gonna go do is check the other few. Trimmed everything. And everything's looking pretty good. They all made it through the trim process, which is good because sometimes you're trimming, you end up losing a piece. That fucking sucks. I started kind of working with this form recently. Did a similar concept with the bowl. Gosh, let me show you guys the gradation I actually captured with this new style. Tell me that isn't so fluid. But yeah, these are the pieces I just trimmed, put in that work. It was fun, it was good. Gonna go see other pieces now. Funny enough, it is sunny again out. It's sunny. But anyways, this is my contraption. Usually you'd be using a chuck and then putting any smaller spouted pots upside down inside. I found a scrap piece that wasn't being used and wasn't claimed, so I'm using that as a chuck to place my piece upside down so that I can trim the bottom. So I'm gonna trim this, see how it goes. Wish me luck. Okay guys, today was a success. I finally finished trimming all 12 pieces. Yes, 12. It was a lot, but it was fun. It was cool. I have class, so I'm trying to be mindful of time. All my pieces are now up here on the shelf, waiting, getting ready to go in the bisque. They look so good, they look so cute. I shall be back.